Mr. Stanley from TS Tech Talk. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make use of Google Input. Um, in this application, you can actually change change your writing into any language, either on your chat or your message box or your Google Chrome, your Facebook or Twitter. All right. Now, in order to make use of this application, I already installed it anyway, but I'm just going to show you guys. Let's go over to Chromebook store. Chrome store. You can only make this application on Chromebook. Sorry, not only on Chromebook. You could also install your Chrome application on either your Windows or anywhere you have your Chrome application installed. You could actually make use of this. Okay, in order for you to find this add-on, you need to go over to Chrome Web Store. Yeah, chrome.com.google, then /web store. Just enter. Now, once you've entered, go ahead and search for this. It's called an add-on. Search input, Google Input. Okay, it's called Google Input 2. Okay, this is the application right here. I already installed and made use of it. Actually, I haven't rated it yet. So once you see, just go ahead and click on it. Next, all you need to do is to click on add and then add to Chrome, but I already have it added. So there is no need for me to be adding it again. So all you need to do is just to click on add and add it to store, and it will be added. Once it's added, you're going to get a notification right here. You're going to get a notification right here, and then once you get the notification, all you need to do is click on extension option. Now, once you click on extension option, it's going to load up and show you all different languages that's loaded. Now let me look for other languages like Spanish. Okay, let's go and speak Espanol. And now you could add this as keyboard and also add it as a writing tool. And also let's use French. Okay, now once you've selected the language you want, go ahead and select this button right here and it's going to be added up. Okay, once you're done with adding up whichever language you want to, just go ahead and close it. Now go over to Facebook or anywhere on your wall. Okay, before you go to your wall, first change the language setting, because I currently use Chinese. Now let's change it to Spanish, which is Spain. Now if you change your language, come here and say hello. Else. Okay, for some reason the language is not changed. Now let me be sure we are using the right language. Okay, right into Espanol. Now Espanol is selected. Let's see. You can change this. Okay, for some reason my let's go ahead and pause this video. Okay, I'm right back. Now let's say I already did this before. Let's say something else, like let me go ahead and delete it. I think that I made it. We made a mess. Okay, you can see it's working, but for some reason I think there is some bug and they are going to fix it. I could actually make some tests with this and then post it. And also, I have also tested this out by sending some messages to my friends, and it's actually working well. So you guys should also try this out. It's very nice. But although for some reason some languages are not working properly, you can notice I added some language and it's still showing English, and let me select a different language. Let's see. Let's test it out. For some reason, Chinese seems to work properly well. And let's see what this would give us. And let's try some more language like I think Catania. Still, oh, oh, um, Hindu. Hindu is also a popular language. Okay, let's see. I haven't selected the language yet. Let's go ahead and select our new language, which is Hindu. Okay, I think this is working well. Let me go ahead and send my post. And I also have some Hindu friends. I think they are going to find this interesting, and maybe I think trying to ask some question if I'm understanding Hindu properly. And then, okay, you guys could also use this in chat. And let's also try this application in Twitter and see how it goes. If it gives us same result. I'm already logged in anyway, so no need to log in to Twitter. And you could also use this in chat. You can see the previous one I made. Okay, it works well. So you can see I've tested out Hindu and also tested out Chinese, and it works well. So you guys should also explore more and test out other language. So like you see, everything is working perfectly well. And make sure you like and leave a comment if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel also if you haven't done that already. And my name is Trust Stanley from TS Tech Talk. I'll be uploading more videos in the future, so you guys should wait out for it. All right. Thanks for watching.